Hey, my lovemies, welcome back, welcome back. So I am finally back, as you guys know. I'm back in the UK, and if you are wondering, yeah, somebody got me a new microphone. Yeah, thanks to the person. The person will probably be watching the video, so thank you. That's what helped me because I need microphone to be able to use my phone to record. The audio system isn't that good. So when my microphone got missing in Estonia, I was super sad about it. But yeah, I got a new one now. So I'm finally back. And I don't know what time you're going to be watching this video because I have other videos I have to post before this one. So you wouldn't be seeing this video anytime soon. I'm recording in August. Today is August 14th. And then I am required to leave, not just me, but our contract. Everybody in the campus, everybody on campus accommodation is required to leave by 2nd September. So yes, I have to leave. So now I am looking for a place. I did get a place in Selby and I'm supposed to go view the place. You know, the pictures look so nice. I just pray that it looks that nice, you know, physically. And if you're asking why Selby, finding a room to rent here in York is super expensive, trust me. You can get one bedroom flat in Selby at the same price that you get just a single room here in York. So I think it makes sense to move to Selby. And Selby is just close by to York. So there is no problem. And from Selby, where the house is, to my workplace is very close. That's why I'm even happy and I'm excited to get that room. I'm just praying it should be okay, you know, so that I'll move there. So I'm going to view the room now. I'm just heating up my lasagna. A friend prepared lasagna for me when I came back, you know, as a welcome treat. So I still have it in there. That's what I'm heating up to eat now. It's literally past 11. I'm supposed to meet them at 1. So I'm going to be taking Uber from here to the Fulford Road. Then I take bus to Selby because walking from here to the Fulford Road is like 32 minutes. So if I'm to walk, I'm supposed to meet them at 1. So if I'm walking 32 minutes, then before you get in bus from that place to Selby is like 45 minutes. And where the house is like 20 minutes. So I'll be super late if I walk. So I'm going to take Uber from here. After eating the lasagna, I'll take Uber to Selby Fulford Road, and then from Fulford Road take a bus to Selby. So I'm bringing you guys along. Stay tuned. We are going to view the house together. I'm just praying. So come along. If it's okay, I might not view other places, but if it's not, I'll have to view. I think I even have a viewing again tomorrow at another place. But if this one is okay, then I'll move with it because it's super there. The location and everything is super okay for me. So yes, guys, I'm back. Let's go view together. Oh, so I'm by the roadside and I'm waiting for bus.
I think that's the previous tenant's chair.
Chair, okay.
I believe so. But
It's dark. Let me see. Okay. Oh, it's so nice.
Yeah.
And then I'm alone, so I mean,
Yeah.
place like this, and it's not even far from. I can get a straight bus.
Yes.
From to here to work.
Yeah.
So
whereabouts do you work?
I'm really satisfied. How should I? It's in York. Do you know the Fulford Road?
Yeah.
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 This is the bus.
This is your ensuite. It is.
Aww. Wow, so clean and nice.
Yeah. Well, the tenant that we've had in there has been with us for quite some time, and he's been a really good tenant.
So meaning I can rent it for more than a year?
Yes, yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
This is perfect. Let me see myself. Wow, I'm so happy. It's so nice. So this is the first room.
This is the first one. Yeah, this one's at £525.
525, okay.
Well, the other one's upstairs.
And this is vacant. I can get
It is
this.
vacant. Yes, yeah. Both of
Okay.
these rooms are vacant. This one and the upstairs.
Wow. So this also for the
Yes,
tenants?
yeah, that's
This
included.
and this.
I'm not sure. I don't think that's. I think that's the previous tenant's chair.
And this for the previous tenant?
No, that stays.
Okay.
Always furniture
And this,
stays.
wow.
Yeah, the bedside cabinets.
That's like perfect for me, honestly. They are all working, okay. Wow. So they still have their stuffs in here. Sorry, this stuff.
Stays.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, okay, it's empty. Wow. Okay. Wow.
Right, this is quite nice.
This is nice. Yeah. Like the room is just perfect.
Yeah.
Seriously.
Do you want to have a look at the one
Yeah,
upstairs?
sure. This is nice, guys. Wow, and you can even look.
Yes, yeah, you'll get a code
Wow.
for that. You'll get a key for the front door.
The front door.
And then you'll get a code for this door.
Wow. This is nice.
There's a light that comes on once you get halfway up the stairs.
Yeah, the light comes on by itself.
Yeah.
Wow. Oh, this is bigger.
Yeah, it is. It is bigger. This one's a bit more expensive. This is 575.
Oh, okay, so
Okay,
like
so
55 pound difference.
Yeah.
This is, I mean, they are all really nice, honestly. I don't mind anyone you give me.
Yeah.
I'm okay. Okay. Wow. I like the light. Wow. And all these will also be for me.
That's right, yeah.
So so this one will be termed as a double?
It is a double. If I remember rightly on the advert, I don't think it's for couples though. Because the license for the property limits how many people we can have in
here.
We've got 5 rooms, and if we have 2 people in each room, that will be 10 people. And fire regulations would say that's too many to evacuate the building.
The building, yeah. Okay.
And there's your own suite in there.
So this one, no one was in here. No one has been here.
Yes, it has, but it's been cleaned, so it's ready for.
Yeah, this is so nice. Very clean.
Yeah.
Wow. So I can take in here actually. This is for.
That's included, yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's nice. Look at the door. Wow. So this place to one person, the one down to one person.
Yes. Yeah.
This is included?
Yes, it is.
Wow, it's nice.
So you can pretend you're in one.
And and even the blindfold. Oh God, this is perfect.
The lid do come right down as well.
So what am I supposed to do to get it? Because I need it. Any of it, this or the one down. I think I like this one more.
Yeah.
Because it's free.
Yeah, it's bigger.
Yeah.
Bigger, yeah. So, if you want to go ahead, there are 2 deposits.
Yeah.
The first deposit is one that secures the room, so we take it off the market so no one else can get it.
Yeah.
And what that also does is goes towards the referencing. Because this is a HMO, it's a proper tenancy, so there's 6 months minimum stay. We will do reference.
So once you forget it, meaning you can't enter, or they'll generate a new one.
We've got the lounge if you want to sit with your workmate, with your roommates.
With television.
Wow, it's nice and cool down here.
Yeah.
And then we've got the main kitchen.
Oh. And on the right.
Yeah. So you've got your fridge and freezer,
But how many people will be using the fridge? Okay, it's 2 fridges.
Yeah, there's 5 people in all.
Oh, okay, that's nice. And kitchen. And this is to the back.
Yeah, that's just up to the outside at the back.
Oh wow, nice. Nice.
That's the washing machine, that's the
The
dryer.
dryer.
Yeah.
Okay.
And there's no extra charge for using those either, so.
Oh, okay.
And you don't get allocated a slot, they don't get, oh, maybe this slot is 2:30 on a Wednesday. If the machine's available, you can use it. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Nice. Okay. That's nice. And are they all males or females or mixed?
I'm not sure, to be honest. I can try and find out and I can send you a message.
Sure.
But it's the first time I've been in this particular property.
She looks familiar. That's Spencer.
It's the Queen.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Ah, okay, the Queen herself.
Queen Elizabeth.
The late. Oh. So which one do you think? Which one will you advise me? This one is just so close to everything.
Yeah.
But then up there too, you can see down.
Yeah.
Can you open again? Is it locked?
Yes, yeah, no, it's on the, just on the.
Let me make my last. Okay, that one is way bigger.
Yeah.
That one is way bigger.
Yeah, it is a lot bigger. Downstairs, but probably not from upstairs.
Oh, okay. So
because they'll be looking, all they'll see, if you're looking downstairs into that room upstairs, because they're looking up, all they'll see is the ceiling, really.
Oh, okay. When I get out, I'll try to look at it.
Yeah.
So it's the one up there. Okay guys, so I am done viewing my very first one. I do have other places that I'm supposed to view. So far so good. This is nice. The price, the location is okay, but I still have to view the others. I wouldn't be able to go there physically to view, so the landlord is going to take a video and send them to me, so visual tour. So I'm going to add them to this video, so the latter part of this video will just be from the landlord. So I'm going to be choosing based on the location and then the price. But comment below which one you would have chosen if you were in my position. But so far so good. I did enjoy this.
Okay, so room 2, we have a double bed here. Underneath the double bed we have 2 drawers. I'll show you one for an example for storage, another one here. The room comes with a piece of artwork, bedside table, socket underneath. The room comes with a chair, desk, 2 shelves. The desk, you have got underneath, you've got plugs, you have got a TV aerial, may not use that. You've also got a hardwired Ethernet connection for faster Wi-Fi speeds. We've got a grey carpet. The room comes with a mirror, blackout blind, the wardrobe in the 2 drawers underneath. This wall here will be painted. And that is room 2. Back door. Free parking on road. Free parking all the way up here. There's a park here just at the end of the road. See, everywhere's free parking. This is our parking spot here with our garage. All these streets down here are free parking. Always be able to park.
We're going to start at the top of the house. So you have a shower at the top of the house, and then we have room 4 and 5. So I'll show you 5 first. So you walk in, you've got a sofa. We'll go around the room. Table and chairs, there's loads of light. Sink in the room. So this one's room 5. Now room 4 is a single room. So this is room 4. We then head down the stairs. And into room 2. This is room 2, again loads of light. High ceilings, really are lovely rooms. So you come out of room 3, back down the hallway, and then you have a toilet. Out of the toilet onto the landing, and you then have another main shower room with ample storage space. Then you head down the stairs, front door, all your fire safety information, dining room, kitchen again, 2 sinks, 2 cookers. Through here is a toilet. Right, so I showed you the shower room. And then outside there's a yard and a shed. So then you come back through. So like I say, the toilet and your shower are there. Kitchen area. You get loads of fridge space as well. It's a fridge, freezer.
Okay, so we are in Acom now, a sub-town of York, and this is what the landlord sent me. It's pretty beautiful, but as I said, it's super expensive being in York. Trust me, super expensive. You can literally use some of that money to get a cheaper place and even bigger in other parts of nearby towns and villages. So yeah, they are beautiful, trust me, and they are all en suite. So I'm excited about it. I'm just confused as to which one to choose. So I do have a lot of videos as well, but just I can't add all here to be too long. But yeah, I had a lot. And then watch out for my next video to see which room I chose. It's quite a lot, beautiful. Some are cheaper than others, some are more preferable. Some does not have a bath in the rooms. They don't have en suite. They are not en suite rooms. So yeah, but some are. So I'm going to consider all of that, and then the location where it will be easier to get a bus to and from work. It's very important to me because I need to work to be able to pay for all of these things. Thank you.